Today, we've got some groundbreaking news to share with you. China's Chang'e 6 mission has made history with a major achievement on the far side of the moon. China has just unfurled its red and gold flag on the far side of the moon, marking a monumental moment in lunar exploration. The Chang'e 6 spacecraft successfully landed and collected rock and soil samples from the moon's surface. Launched last month, the Chang'e 6 probe touched down on the far side of the moon on Sunday and collected samples as planned. The China National Space Administration announced that the ascent rocket lifted off successfully on Tuesday morning and entered a predetermined orbit around the moon. Withstanding high temperatures on the lunar surface, the collected samples were stored in a container through drilling and surface collection. These samples are set to return to Earth around June 25th, landing in the deserts of China's Inner Mongolia region. In an animation released by the agency, we see a small Chinese flag unfolding from a retractable arm on the side of the lander, not placed in the lunar soil, but still making a historic mark. The Chang'e 6 mission landed in the South Pole Aitken Basin, the moon's deepest and largest impact crater, over 4 billion years old and 13 kilometers deep. This crater can provide the earliest insights into the moon's history. This mission is the 6th in the Chang'e Lunar Exploration Program, named after the Chinese moon goddess, and it's the second mission designed to bring back samples, following Chang'e 5's successful mission in 2020. China is pushing forward in the space race, competing with the likes of the US, Japan, and India. They aim to send a human to the moon by 2030, potentially making China the second country to do so after the US. China's space ambitions don't stop at the moon. They've launched their own space station into orbit and are regularly sending crews there. Meanwhile, the US is planning to land astronauts on the moon again for the first time in over 50 years, aiming for 2026. That's it for today's space and science adventure. China's Chang'e 6 mission has added a new chapter to the history of lunar exploration. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.